the date today? Oh my god, it is Papa's birthday today. Oh my god, I don't have the ingredients. What to do? I can't even prepare the cake. Ingredients are there, but then they are in such a small quantity. What can I do? Yes, Swiss roll. So one thing which can give the taste of the cake with the minimum ingredients is Swiss rolls. So let's get started. So first we'll prepare buttermilk. For this we have added vinegar to milk, and we'll keep it in the bowl for some time. Just let's let it rest for 4 to 5 minutes. And in the meanwhile we'll take up refined flour, sugar, baking soda and baking powder. We'll sieve them together and make sure this process has to be done twice. As a result, it will really mix very well. So we've done it twice. All the ingredients will be mixed well. Now we'll add the dry mixture to the wet mixture. So I'm adding refined oil. You can also use olive oil. And we have added the vanilla extract to it. Just give it a mix. Make sure you don't overdo it. You can see the bubbles have started forming on the batter, and the batter is of flowing consistency. So now is the time to take a pan or a non-sticky tawa. So I have just applied some oil. I've greased the tawa, and here I have put all the batter on the tawa. So we'll just move it a bit so that it spreads on all the sides of tawa. So it's ready. We'll keep it on high flame for 30 seconds first, and we'll just keep it on the low flame, very low flame, and we are going to cover it with some parat or something, whatever you have. Just make sure that it has the same size. So after 5 minutes, I'm just checking it. You can see that the toothpick is having some part of it. So we'll just give it half minute more. So you can see my bread is ready. The toothpick is coming out to be clean. So we'll just gently lift it with the blunt side of the knife and just check. And yes, it is coming out very easily. The bread is all set. It's all ready. So we'll just put off the flame here, and without any delay, we'll take up the same parat or whatever container you have of the size of the tawa. Gently put it on that. How nicely it is coming out to be. It has come out very easily. See how beautiful it is looking. So now we'll take up the parchment paper, and we'll just keep our hand, and we'll just put it on the parchment paper. So I'll roll it gently here without any delay, because we have to roll the bread which we have just made. So here I've rolled it, and after refrigerating it for half an hour, let's look at the texture. Wow, how beautiful the texture of the bread it has come out to be. Look how soft and moist it is. Very nice. So you can see that how soft it is. I've just brought the camera close to show you. These pores are of those showing that bread has been prepared well. So now we are just going to whip the cream. If you don't have cream, no worries on that. You can always use fresh malai. So my cream is all set. I'm repeating, if you don't have cream, you can always use malai. And I have taken up 2 spoons of cocoa powder. I'm going to mix the cocoa powder. Sugar was already in the whipping cream, so I'm not going to add any additional sugar to it. If you like more chocolatey flavor, you can add more chocolate to it, more cocoa powder to it. Where I would like to share, my mother is a diabetic, so I just I cannot actually add too much of sugar, because if I add more chocolate, then I have to add more sugar. So just remember, for every spoon of cocoa powder, you can add double the sugar. My cream is not that chocolatey because of my mother, but then it's okay. You can also add Nutella here. So now we are going to gently wrap the roll, which is all set. So I've just used the same parchment paper, and I am going to keep it in the refrigerator for another hour. So let's see after 1 hour. Wow, amazing. Look at the texture, it has set completely. The roll is all set to cut.